brother. Love Connor. Oh, good girl. Mommy is happy. Mommy is happy. Connor's not too happy. You're being rough. It'd be easy. Yeah. No, you can't sit on him. You want to hold him? You want to hold him? Sit down. Sit down. Okay, come here. Scoot closer. Scoot closer. Yay! You ready? Sit down. Here's the boppy. Here's the boppy. You ready? Here's brother. Here's brother. Yay! Where are you going? You gonna hold brother laying down? Huh? Night nights? You want help? You want help? Come on. Here, let's turn you. Oh, Mommy's not even supposed to be lifting you, much less you and brother. There you go. There's you something to lean up against. Is that better? Yeah? There's brother. There's Kira and brother. Yay! Yay! Kira and brother. Be easy. You love Connor? You love Connor? Yeah, Connor's sleeping. Let's turn him this way so the camera can see him too. There you go. You love Connor? Huh? You give brother kisses? Mwah. Yeah, I see his stars, blue stars and green stars. And Kira has hearts, pink hearts and purple hearts. Yeah. Are you happy? Are you all done? What did he say? Are you done? Are you all done with brother? Okay. Mommy, take him. You love him? Oh, you just want the boppy. That used to be your boppy, huh? With a different cover on it. You want to hold him? Come here. Come sit. You ready? You ready? Hold him. Hold him. No? See, you don't have the boppy on your lap this time. You're sitting on it. Yeah. Help you with what? Help you with what? You done? You can't pick him up. You have to be sitting to hold him. Okay, here, look, hang on. Let's put the boppy in front of you. You ready? Sit down. Sit down. Mommy put the boppy on you. Sit down. No. No, the boppy's for brother, not for Kira. Here, you can lay down though. You want to lay down with brother? You want to lay down with brother? Here you go. Here you go. There. Y'all lay together? Huh? You all done? Poor brother. We're messing with his nap, aren't we?